Nurses mago mawuok e kaunti mano ma Bungoma osingoni ok gibido ketich nyaka chopi winj ywak mopogore opogore mago magintiere godo. Nurses go wacho ni piny owacho mano ma Bungoma ok osebedo kachiko itgi moloyo to e wechego mago masandogi ka bende gidwaro mar mondo mi otiek midhiero go kanyo ma oting'o ndiko gi e tich e yono maongirore. Kane giloso bang' bago ng'anyo mano mar kwe, nurses go kone piny owacho ma Bungoma ok osebedo kachiko itgi e ywak margi.
We have six agenda issues to be discussed with them, but they have not invited us formally for a discussion. So our members are out, they are not in work across the county.
Sometimes in December last year, we had an industrial action that we signed a return to work formula late January. Until then, the employer has not agreed or has not implemented the issues that we agreed in. The issues that were agreed in, to be specific, were implementing the signed CBA that was negotiated for over 8 years. The employers remain calm in that, and that's the reason why we are out.
Maafisa tabibu wamesimama kidete, wameamua kwamba hamna kurudi kazi mpaka matakwa yao yatakavyo atatuliwa na waweze kuwa sawa, kwa sababu hatuwezi tukapata wengine wanaajiriwa kwenye contract stakabadhi ambazo document ambayo contract ambayo kidogo inawakanganya. Wengine wetu wanafinywa kazi na CBA ambayo national government ilishakubaliana hapa kuimplement inakuwa ni tatizo.